Hello puzzle friends, welcome back. So for today's video I am very excited, but first, hello, I am Ingrid for those who are new here, and this is Ingrid Loves Puzzle. Please consider to subscribe in order to support me. And moving on, if you already saw my whole video, my last whole video, if not I will put the link in the description below. I had a puzzle that I was waiting for it since November 2023, and I was planning to actually do it for Valentine's Day, as a video for Valentine's Day, but it arrived after Valentine's Day, so I couldn't do it. But today is Friday, and tomorrow it's a very special day for me. 13 April is my relationship anniversary, so I will make 5 years with my beautiful fiance. Yeah, and you know, I kind of want a puzzle that, well, I don't know, it's more resonates with that. So I said, yeah, it's time for that one, that beautiful puzzle from Enjoy, the Cosmic Love Puzzle. It's just perfect. You will put me in the mood, and it's a mode of celebrating this with puzzles. Since I love puzzle, it's yeah. I will celebrate with him tomorrow, yes. But I just want to do a puzzle that, well, represents my feelings, and I'm very excited because and I'm very curious about the puzzle. I do think it will be very, very fun. I already know Enjoy's quality. This is from their new release puzzles, and which had a Kickstarter campaign, but I am telling about that in the whole video as well, so I don't want to bore you anymore. And yeah, let's just open the box now. So let's have a closer look at the box. So this is the front of the box. We have the image, number of pieces, the brand. Here we also have the image and number of pieces and the dimension of the completed puzzle, both in centimeters and inch, which I love. Here we have some information while puzzlers choosing Enjoy puzzle, and also some other design of them. Yeah, pretty beautiful. Now let's see what is in the box. So we have the pieces, and we can see some beautiful colors already. There is something about the brand and what it makes them better than others. And on the back side it's some how you can actually one puzzles from them.
So if you go to Enjoy Puzzles site, enjoypuzzle.com, you can actually find a very amazing limited time promotion, free shipping if you order 2 puzzles or 3 puzzles for UK, US, and not sure, Canada, I think. But for Europe, it's only 2 puzzles and it's applied automatically at checkout. But what I want to show you is the collections. So they have multiple collection: abstract art, animals collection, art collection, gradient and rainbow collection, flower collection, also landscapes, and the novelties section, and other miscellaneous people collection and places collection. I have some from gradient, and I want to, let me just find it. So this one I already have a video about it. I will post the link in the description. I also have this puzzle which I didn't do it yet, and also I think not here, but let me find. I am missing the it. Oh, okay, so I saw it. Okay, so here I also have this one, which we'll see when I will go there. So missing piece, they have replacement missing piece. So you can also send a replacement request, and no, contact us. So they have the giveaway section, which I don't actually. Where? So if you go and type /giveaway, you will find the giveaway section. And what is very amazing about it is the fact that if you follow the Instagram account and also you like and follow the Facebook account, you will have the monthly chance, 1 chance per month, to actually win 4 puzzles, 2 for the Instagram or 2 for the Facebook. So if you are extra lucky and won both 2 draws, you will have 4 new puzzles. So that's a very great thing you can actually done. You can do, so you can also earn some puzzles and, I don't know, choose the brand if you are lucky enough to win the actually draw, the random draw. So here's some frequent asked question, and yeah, each member has a chance per month, even if you are already joined to the community of Instagram or Facebook, which I found it very, 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 very awesome. So now let's go back to the time lapse.
Okay, so now let's see the pieces. One thing that I really love is the fact that the interior of the box is white, so it's much easier to use it as so you can see the pieces more better. That's one thing that I really love, and both of them are white. Woohoo! Okay, so just look at these colors. They are so beautiful, and the finish of these pieces is so soft and nice. I just love doing this. As you can see, we have pretty different shapes and very beautiful colors, and I also saw connected piece here. Okay, so we have two of them that it is connected, and as you can see, they are not actually really good cut, but you can try to separate them, and it almost does that little bit of damage, but yeah, we'll see if I will find more of these. Yeah, but I don't think so. Yeah, so let's do the puzzle now. So colors, 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 colors everywhere. And I didn't find any pieces that were um, not cut. I didn't find any pieces that were not properly cut. That the two ones from the start was the single ones. Yeah, the only ones. So I just love how it actually looks. So many colors, so many textures. It's amazing. The pieces are not thin, are enough and very hard to bend, so I am sure it will be amazing. I forgot to tell you, we have all kind of pieces type, as already said. This one, let me here, this one, and also I saw here this one. Does the camera won't focus? Okay, at the glare it's almost inexisting. Yeah, and the finish is so soft and nice. I just can't describe it in the words. A lot of colors, a lot of patterns. So yeah, as a strategy, I am not quite sure how I'll start this. So many beautiful colors, so many patterns, so many, yeah. But I think I might be able to do to do this one, his body, because it's white and blue, and as I can see, it's the only thing that is white and blue. And also I think I'm able to do the hair, get the pieces for the hair, because it's white and black, and it seems to be the only thing white and black with lines. So yeah, I think I will start with the middle actually, but first I will do the edges, which I am pretty sure you saw in the time lapse are all here in the box. I will pick a foam board and I will do the edge first. I am pretty curious to see if I manage to get them all. I'm pretty bad at this at moments, so yeah, we'll see. Let's continue with this beautiful, amazing puzzle. So let's talk a little about the NJ brand. Why are they called NJ puzzles? So, well, why work on a puzzle if you don't enjoy it? Assembling a jigsaw puzzle means spreading a good amount of time on it. So the whole experience, starting from the puzzle itself and up to the image, should be fun and entertaining. In the end, it should make you say, I really enjoyed working on this puzzle, and not leave you with a bitter taste.
Okay, so I know I didn't start the puzzle on the foam board where I have the edges, but I wanted to show you actually something about this puzzle board that I already knew. Uh, so let me put the foam board here. Okay, now I want to show you how easy it is to pick sections of the puzzle, even if they are less. Really need to actually shake it so it breaks apart. Yeah, but you can easily pick sections and move them around as you want, so it doesn't matter where you start the puzzle, you can then put it where you need it, and that's pretty awesome about this brand that I really love. Yeah, so now let's continue to the puzzle.
Let's see their introduction. So, who are we? Hello there, we are Enjoy Puzzle, a team of jigsaw puzzle enthusiasts who took their passion to the next level after years of assembling puzzles. We acknowledge exactly what would make us enjoy a jigsaw puzzle to the fullest. Our search for the perfect puzzle quickly turned into a dream project when we decided to combine all the ideal features we had in mind to create the most exciting jigsaw puzzles. And that's how Enjoy Puzzle became a reality. So this is their introduction from their site.
So here it is, the hair was completed. Yeah, so I just want to say that this puzzle is so fun, so much fun. I really enjoyed. My fingers are itching because I really want to do it. It was hard to stop, but I had to, unfortunately. And now I want to show you. But I want to try to lift this and see how it goes. And it stayed. It really stayed. It's an amazing quality. I just love it.
So, what makes Enjoy Puzzle so enjoyable? On their side, we can see this. So, from the very first moment, the jigsaw puzzle must create a spark and captivate your attention, making you want to explore, assemble, admire, and even frame them. Each piece should feel delightful in your hand, making it difficult to move away once you start working on the puzzle. But sometimes it can be tricky to find all these elements in one single jigsaw puzzle. Not anymore. Now that Enjoy Puzzle exists. Here's what we're bringing to you. No boring, dull, stressful, or frustrating puzzles. Colorful, vividly clear, and fun artworks that are entertaining and inspire. New images from various artists, illustrators, painters, and photographs. Easy to move assembled section due to the thick pieces and their tight interlocking. Matte finish which removes disturbing reflections. A variety of pieces and shapes that fit just in their correct place. Silky smooth texture of the pieces for an enhanced tactile experience. Compact, eco-friendly packaging adds storage practicality. Missing pieces replacement service so your puzzle is always complete.
Well, hello, puzzle friends again. Yeah, so this puzzle was amazing, but before I will tell you my final thoughts about this particular puzzle, I need to actually, well, say something. So I think you already noticed the glasses. Yeah. So unfortunately, I had a doctor appointment this week, and before the weekend, I found out that I need glasses because my eyes are not very good. And yeah, so now I have it. So if you will see me wear glasses, that's why. Yeah. Now, getting back to the puzzle, I also dye my hair. I tried color that well doesn't show. No, it's not the color that I want, but it's okay. We'll live with that. Now, getting back to this beautiful puzzle, so I didn't glue it yet, but it's just super gorgeous. I wanted to show you as this. I hope I will not actually drop it on the floor. Okay, so that's it's amazing. It's so beautiful, so colorful. The experience was so great as you expect from this brand. Yeah, it's just amazing. I don't have enough words to describe how fun this experience was. Uh, yeah, and this weekend, my fiance laughed because he saw a puzzle and he was like, "Oh, you do that one from Enjoy, that one with the couple," and I was like, "Yeah, because it's our anniversary this weekend, so that's why." Yeah, he found the idea very cute. Anyways, about this puzzle. It's amazing. The artwork is amazing. I just don't have enough words for it. Yeah. So, do I look? How do I look with glasses? Yeah, and with this puzzle, beautiful puzzle by my side. Yeah, and this one will be one that I will frame. As I said, I still have. I keep collecting puzzles that I want to frame. I done that wolf that glows in the dark. I have this one that I want to glow and to glow. Wow, yeah, to frame. And also, I will want to actually frame the giant puzzle which I have here. Not sure if it's so in the giant puzzle. If you haven't seen that video yet, I already made big A and an unboxing video for it. Yeah, so I didn't frame yet any of them because I'm researching on what's the best approach on how to actually put them on the wall, and I haven't glued one yet. I have that wolf and the lady taped, but yeah, I kind of want to see what I want to do with them. So I want to decide on a technique that I want to use for framing and then make some tests and after that to actually use it. So that's why I don't have anything yet on my walls, but I do think this will look amazing as a background. Don't you think? It's just so beautiful and so fun, and yeah, I just love the experience. And even if it was that fun that I really want to redo it, I just can't take it apart. It's so beautiful. Yeah, and also I don't redo my puzzles. I haven't done a puzzle for 2 times. Now only one time, but a video about this is coming very soon because I am testing something. So yeah, that being said, I hope you enjoyed this time lapse, this beautiful puzzle, and the information about the brand that I show you. And yeah, that's it for today. So until next time, please consider to like and subscribe to my video, to my channel. Please consider to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And also, I just want to say stay safe. And until next time, happy puzzling, everyone! Ah, yeah, I also forgot to mention. I don't know if you already saw, but I'm trying to post a video every Monday and every Friday. So yeah, because I enjoy doing video for you guys, and also I have a lot of puzzles that I want to make, so that keeps me motivated. And yeah, I hope you like this approach. And also, that's it for today. See you on Friday.